Speak with your pharmacist or doctor for more information. Remember to always consult your pharmacist or physician before starting any new medication or supplement. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about any potential side effects. You may also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can also call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, and report any side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Omega-3 plus D is a supplement that is commonly used to help support heart, brain, and eye health. It is often taken as a daily supplement, and the recommended dosage varies depending on individual needs. It is best to take Omega-3 plus D with a meal to improve absorption. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Ask your pharmacist or doctor. Narration: if you're considering taking Omega-3 plus D, it's important to ask your pharmacist or doctor for advice. They can provide you with more information about the benefits, daily dosage, and the best time to take this supplement. It's important to consult with your pharmacist or physician before taking Omega-3 plus D. Make sure to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This will help them ensure that Omega-3 plus D is safe for you to take with your current medications. Omega-3 plus D is commonly used as a dietary supplement to support overall health. It is known for its benefits in promoting heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. The recommended daily dosage of Omega-3 plus D varies depending on individual needs, but it is generally safe to take 1 to 2 capsules per day with meals. It is best to take Omega-3 plus D at the same time every day to maintain consistent levels in the body. If you or someone else has taken too much Omega-3 plus D and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call 911 or contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can reach out to their provincial poison control center for assistance. Currently, there is no specific document available for Omega-3 plus D. However, Omega-3 plus D is commonly used to support heart health, brain health, and overall well-being. The daily dosage varies depending on individual needs, but it is generally recommended to take Omega-3 plus D with a meal to enhance absorption. Ask your pharmacist or doctor. Narration: if you're considering taking Omega-3 plus D, it's important to ask your pharmacist or doctor for advice. They can provide you with more information about the benefits, daily dosage, and the best time to take this supplement. It's important to consult your pharmacist or physician before taking Omega-3 plus D. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more details about how to safely discard your product. Omega-3 plus D is commonly used to support heart health, lower triglycerides, and manage cholesterol levels. The recommended daily dosage is usually around 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids, with the optimal timing being with meals to improve absorption. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.